At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at a level of 6,871.9. And then approaching the closing time in the first session, the index was on the level of 6,872.66. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at a level of 6,850.61. And in short, JCI went down 0.14%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got infrastructure as the leader of the strengthening trend that went up 1.34%. Health went up 0.68%. Non-cyclic went down 0.89%. And industry went down 0.13%. And moving on to the top gainers and the top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BBRI went up 1.44% to the level of 4,940 per share. Adro went up 1.32% to the level of 3,850 per share. Astro International went up 0.88% to the level of 5,700 per share. And Arto went up 5.98% to the level of 3,720 per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading. We got Bank Central Asia went down 0.29% to the level of 8,550 rupiah per share. Telkom went down 0.79% to the level of 3,750 rupiah per share. Goto went down 6.19% to the level of 91 rupiah per share. And TCBI went down 6.74% to the level of 7,950 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Opened at the level of 15,555, rupiah was also showing weakening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 15,637. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.09%. The Indonesian capital market managed to make several positive achievements in 2022. This is reflected in the performance of the Jakarta Composite Index, which posted a new highest level, market capitalization growth, and higher daily transaction value.
Throughout 2022, despite being faced with a number of global challenges, the Indonesian capital market managed to make several positive achievements. Capital market activity throughout 2022 grew positively. This is reflected in the performance of the Jakarta Composite Index, or JCI, which reached a level of 6,850.52 on December 28, 2022, or an increase of 4.09% from December 30, 2021. The JCI growth even broke a new record, namely at the level of 7,318.016 on September 13, 2022. Meanwhile, the market capitalizations on December 28, 2022 reached 9,509 trillion rupiah, an increase of 15.2% compared to the positions at the end of 2021, which was 8,256 trillion rupiah, and also broke a new record of 9,600 trillion rupiah on December 27, 2022. Meanwhile, trading activity also recorded a significant increase compared to the end of last year. The average daily transactions value was recorded at 14.7 trillion rupiah, up to 10% compared to the last year's positions of 13.4 trillion rupiah. Furthermore, the frequency of daily transactions has also reached 1.31 billion transactions, an increase of 1.1% compared to the end of 2021, and is the highest value when compared to the exchanges in the ASEAN region in the last 4 years. Growth is also reflected in the average daily transaction volume, which has reached 23.9 billion shares, an increase of 16% compared to the end of last year. IDX Channel reports.